Don't electric vehicles require maintenance? It may seem that way from the outside. No oil changes, no exhaust system, fewer engine parts, etc. But that doesn't mean they are completely maintenance-free. Quite the contrary. Over time, small details that are overlooked can seriously affect battery health, range, and driving performance. If you skip these simple yet critical checks, your vehicle's performance may begin to decline without you noticing. If you also use an electric vehicle, you should watch this video all the way through, because a few small habits can shorten your vehicle's lifespan by years. Number 1. Many electric vehicles have an advanced thermal management system to protect battery health. At the heart of this system is a type of coolant. Just as engine coolant is important in internal combustion engines, this fluid is vital in EVs to ensure that the battery operates at the ideal temperature. When batteries overheat, their capacity decreases. Similarly, if they are cooled too much, it leads to a drop in performance. This is where the coolant comes into play, protecting the cells, preventing thermal imbalances, and ensuring a long lifespan. However, what most drivers may not realize is that this fluid degrades over time, losing its properties. Its chemical properties weaken, and its ability to protect the battery diminishes. So, what should be done? It is generally recommended to have it checked every 4 to 5 years. This interval may shorten depending on usage conditions. It is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations to avoid voiding the battery warranty. Another common misconception is that there is no fluid in electric vehicles. This is completely false. In modern EVs, not only the battery but also the inverter, motor, and even the charging equipment can be cooled with fluid. Therefore, this fluid holds a significant place on the maintenance checklist. Number 2. When it comes to software, most drivers think only of in-car displays, multimedia systems, or navigation. However, in electric vehicles, software plays a much deeper role. Battery management, charging speed, range calculations, regenerative braking, and even active safety systems. All of these rely on software to function. Therefore, software updates are not merely cosmetic or related to comfort. They directly impact the vehicle's performance, efficiency, and safety. Many modern EVs support OTA, over-the-air updates. However, these updates do not always occur automatically. In some cases, the driver may need to manually trigger them, or updates may only activate under specific conditions, such as being charged or connected to Wi-Fi. Therefore, it is important to regularly check the software version and actively initiate updates when necessary. Neglected software updates can lead to significant inefficiencies in battery management over time, longer charging times, or delays in the vehicle's safety systems. Additionally, software optimizations may include changes that directly impact the driving experience, such as increased range or system stability. Another important point to remember is that if you purchase the vehicle used, the previous owner may have neglected software updates. This can create gaps in the vehicle's service history. Checking and updating the current software before visiting the service center is the best course of action for your vehicle. Number 3. Tire rotation and alignment. Electric vehicles are heavier than internal combustion engine vehicles. The main reason for this is that battery packs are large and heavy. This extra weight puts more strain on the suspension and tire systems in particular. The result? Tires wear much differently than on a standard vehicle. Therefore, rotation and alignment procedures are not just routine maintenance steps for EVs, they are the key to long-term efficiency. Especially in front-wheel drive EVs, front tires wear out faster because they both transmit drive power and provide steering. Additionally, sudden torque responses can cause uneven wear on the tire surface. For this reason, tire rotation is recommended every 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers on average. This process involves swapping the positions of the tires to ensure more even wear across all tires, thereby enhancing both driving safety and tire lifespan. Alignment is another critical factor. When your vehicle's wheels are not properly aligned, not only do the tires wear out faster, the vehicle also encounters more resistance on the road. This directly increases energy consumption and reduces range. Even a simple alignment issue can affect battery efficiency. Remember, the healthier your tires are, the more stable your range will be. This is an important detail for both driving comfort and battery economy. Number 4. Electric vehicles run silently with no engine noise. But there is a hidden danger in this silence: a clogged pollen filter. This small part ensures that the air entering the cabin is clean. If it does not perform its function properly, the air quality inside the vehicle will deteriorate significantly. Over time, the pollen filter begins to fill with dust, pollen, soot, exhaust residue, and even mold spores. Filters become dirty much more quickly, especially in urban use and heavy traffic. In this case, the vehicle's air conditioning system is strained, airflow decreases, and the air inside becomes both smelly and unhealthy. Those most affected by this situation are allergy sufferers, asthma patients, and children. No matter how quiet the interior of your vehicle is, comfort is impossible without fresh and clean air. Therefore, according to the manufacturer's recommendations, the cabin filter must be replaced at least once a year or every 15,000 kilometers on average. If you use your vehicle in dusty, humid, or heavy city traffic conditions, this interval may need to be shortened. It may seem like a small part, but the pollen filter is of vital importance for driving comfort and your health. Additionally, clogged filters place extra strain on the air conditioning system's motor, which can lead to air conditioning malfunctions and unnecessary energy consumption in the long run. Number 5. The heart of electric vehicles is the battery, and the charging port is its lifeline. However, this connection point is often completely overlooked by most users. Over time, the charging port can become covered in dust, moisture, and even rust. This not only prolongs the charging time, worse still, it can lead to connection errors, interrupted charging, or even hardware malfunctions over time. This risk is even greater for drivers who charge outdoors. Especially in rainy, humid, or windy weather, water, dirt, and microscopic particles can easily enter the charging port. Over time, these particles can cause oxidation, weakening the metal contact surfaces. In such cases, the vehicle may fail to recognize the charge or display errors like charging failed to start. The solution is straightforward but requires consistent maintenance. Visually inspect the charging port at least once a month. Use a dry, soft microfiber cloth instead of a damp one. If necessary, gently clean with cleaning sprays suitable for electronic components, non-contact and residue-free. If you frequently charge in the rain, or if the port area is in a dusty environment, you should increase the cleaning frequency. Also, make sure that the charging socket cover is secure and closes completely. Remember, a clean charging port isn't just about faster and smoother charging. It's also a habit that extends battery life, protects hardware, and improves energy efficiency. A little cleaning can prevent big problems. Electric vehicles can provide years of trouble-free service when used correctly. However, some common mistakes can seriously affect both battery life and overall efficiency. To extend the life of your electric vehicle and maintain its performance, it is essential to avoid these mistakes. Remember, small oversights can lead to big expenses. If this information was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our new content about EV maintenance. What do you think is the most common mistake? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss together.